Hello everyone, welcome to my YouTube channel. In this video, I'm going to show you two websites that you can use to make money and withdraw to PayPal, Bitcoin, or for gift card. But before we continue, use few seconds to click on the subscribe button and don't forget to click on the bell button too. Thanks. With these two websites, you'll be able to make money and withdraw with PayPal, Bitcoin, or for gift card. So let me show you the two websites. The first one is Rewards One. With Rewards One, you can make money by taking surveys, watching videos, or try some free products. And you can withdraw with PayPal, Bitcoin, or gift card. So to sign up is easy and straightforward. The link to Rewards One is in the description box below. You click on it, and on the registration page, fill in your information, create account, sign in, and start earning. The minimum payout is $5. Earnings are denoted in points on Rewards One. So your earnings, every surveys you take, videos, or every free product you try out, you'll be paid in points, and you can convert this point to cash. 100 points equals to $1 on Rewards One. So you just need 500 points to withdraw. So that's it about Rewards One. So let us move on to the second website. The second website is GG2U. With GG2U, you can make money by taking surveys, playing games, watching videos, downloading apps, downloading softwares, and more. And when you sign up on GG2U, you'll be given a $1 sign up bonus, and the minimum payout is $7. So you just need to earn $6 more for you to withdraw. Earnings are denoted in dollars, straightforward. And you can withdraw via PayPal, Bitcoin, or gift card. They also have a referral program where you can invite your friends and earn more. So the link to the GG2U website is in the description box below. You click on it, you'll be taken to the sign up page. You sign up, log in, and you can start earning. I hope you learned something new in this video. If you really enjoyed this video, click on the like button, and if you have not subscribed before, subscribe now, and don't forget to click on the bell button too. Thanks.